What's up guys, so it's finally time to do a speed test between Honor 7X and Honor 9 Lite. I already did with Mi A1, and if you want to check that out, link in the description. Now let's just quickly hit the power key, and both the phones have 1.7 GHz octa-core and of course Kirin 659. Let's see what happens. Okay, I already did the unboxing of Honor 9 Lite as well as Honor 7X. You can check that out as well. And if you remember, the comparison between Mi A1 and Honor 9 Lite was really a close one. Like, none of the phones wanted to lose. Let's see what happens here. Okay. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do it. And also hit that notification bell. Okay, so Honor 7X wins the first battle. 9 Lite not far behind. It's done as well. So yeah guys, everything is closed. And let's start with the phone dialer as always. Okay, so that goes to Honor 7X. Let's try with calendar. Oh, that was close, but I think again Honor 7X was faster. Settings. Okay, this time quite clearly Honor 7X. Okay, finally camera. Okay, so this time it's Honor 9 Lite. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the basics. Let's try with some social apps. And the first app will be Facebook. Okay, so this time Honor 9 Lite faster. Snapchat. This time Honor 7X. Tinder. Oh, that was similar, I think. Okay, so yeah, let's try with Twitter. Okay, so this time Honor 7X. And finally Instagram. And again this time Honor 7X. So yeah guys, let's move on to shopping, and first website will be eBay. And it opened up on Honor 7X and okay, and loaded up as well. So as you can see, Honor 9 Lite took some time. Next is Amazon, and this time Honor 9 Lite. Okay, but again Honor 7X first to load. Banggood. Let's see. Oh, that was an awkward pop-up, I think. Can't really decide. So let's try with the final GearBest. And this time it's Honor 9 Lite opened and loaded up as well. So let's move to the gaming section. And this will be really interesting. First game will be Moto Traffic Racer. Let's see what happens in this section. And looks like Honor 9 Lite will win it. Will it? Yes, Honor 9 Lite done, and Honor 7X again you can see took some time. That was not a split-second difference. Modern compact. And if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. It does help a lot. And okay, they are looking pretty much equal. And okay, so Honor 7X first. Okay, let's try with this game, Dead Trigger. And let's see what happens here. And again Honor 7X first. Subway Surfers. And I think okay, this time Honor 9 Lite looking faster. And Honor 7X. Okay, so yes, Honor 9 Lite done, and Honor 7X again, as you can see, taking some time. Okay, so yeah, let's try with the browsing test, and first website will be yahoo.com. And okay, Honor 9 Lite first to open. Honor 7X not far behind. And okay, so Honor 9 Lite done and 7X taking some time. Next up, ClickBank. And let's see what happens here. Okay, so Honor 9 Lite first to open, but as you can see, Honor 7X looking behind it. But as you can see, Honor 9 Lite completed. Let's try with this Samsung.com. Okay, and Honor 7X open but not yet completed. Okay, so Honor 9 Lite completed. Let's quickly check out the RAM management. Instagram. Okay, so refreshed on 9 Lite. Subway Surfers still in the RAM. Dead Trigger. Okay, in the RAM as well. Moto Traffic Race, and looks like again it is refreshed on Honor 9 Lite. So yeah guys, that was a quick little speed test comparison. Hope you guys liked it, and if you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not. It was a really good contest. Keep in mind that Honor 7X is still running Nougat, but Honor 9 Lite is of course running Oreo. So yeah, that's pretty much it guys. Like, subscribe, share, and peace out.